Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Humaira. I'm from Charitas class. So today we're going to talk about arithmetic sequence and series. It sounds difficult, but actually not. So don't stress by that. And by the end of this video, you'll get the basics, the formulas, and see the examples that make everything super easy. So let's just move to the definition of arithmetic sequence. What are these things anyway? Alright, so an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term is obtained by adding or subtracting the same value, called the common difference, to the previous term. So, in the simple way, arithmetic sequence is the sequence where we add the same number each time. And we have the example here, 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. So we can identify that the common difference is 3. And we can obtain that by subtracting the 5 by 2. And then we get the 3. Let's just move to the formula of arithmetic sequence. So to find a specific term in an arithmetic sequence, we use the formula of this one. So an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 divided, So an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times with d. With the information of an is the nth term, or the term that we want to find. A1 is the first term, D is the common difference, like I said before, N is the term number. Simple, right? So let's jump to the example of arithmetic sequence. So from the example previously, we have to find the seventh term of the sequence, and we can identify that the first term is 2 and the difference is 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. And we substitute this information into the formula, and then we get that the seventh term is equal to 2 plus 7 minus 1 times with 3. 7 minus 1 is 6, and times with 3 we got 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So the seventh term is 20. Alright, so now let's talk about arithmetic series. So arithmetic series is simply the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. So it's the upgraded version of arithmetic sequence. But don't worry, it's as simply as before. And here we have the formula of arithmetic series. We can see that there's two formula, but actually they're just the same. The difference is just when the situation, if we want to use them. Like for example, the first formula, we use this formula if we know the first term as well as the nth term. While the second formula, we didn't know what the nth term, and yeah, they're just kind of the same, So where the Sn is the sum of first n terms, a1 is, so where the information Sn is sum of first n terms, a1 is first number, same as before, and an is nth term, d is difference, common difference, and is the total numbers of terms. Alright, so like before, we're going to look at the example of arithmetic series. So let's find the sum of the first 5 terms of the same sequence like before, 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. So we know that the a1, or the first term of the sequence, is 2, and we didn't know what the fifth term, right? So we have to find the fifth term first using the arithmetic series. So we substitute this information, the first term and the common difference of 3, to the formula of arithmetic series, and we get the fifth term is, and after we calculating that, we get the fifth term, which is 14, and finally we get the fifth term. We continue to calculate the sum of the first 5 terms. Alright, so as 5 is equal to 5 per 2, and we just let them be, and 2 plus 14 is 16, and then we can divide the 16 with 2, which is 8. So 8 times with 5 is 40. So the sum of the first 5 terms is 40. And that's everything you need to know about arithmetic sequence and series. Thanks for watching, and that's not so hard at all, right? So see you next time. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.